This is Saulsbury Bridge Rec Area, Muscatine County Conservation here in Iowa along the Cedar River. This is actually the Cedar River Campground. It is a primitive campground with sites along the Cedar River and a couple within the park area, the rec area. It is primitive. They have concrete tables at the sites and fire pits. No water or electric at the sites, but they do have shelter here on site and pit toilets, and there are showers at the main campground here. Fishing access here. There is a boat ramp available. Access along the river for paddling, fishing, and here's the boat ramp, along with the shelter here